Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at a project that's being massively accumulated by whales despite a weakening crypto market, Bitcoin hyper. Some analysts are even talking about a possible 10,000% upside, and the hype isn't coming out of nowhere. Before we start, very important, you'll find the link to the pre-sale right below in the description. The crypto market is entering the fourth quarter of 2025 significantly weaker than expected. Global market cap sits around $3.2 trillion, roughly 3.6% lower than the day before. Bitcoin has dropped back into the low $90,000 range after briefly breaking above $100,000. Ethereum and other blue chips are also retesting key support levels. But here's the important part. Developer sentiment, network activity, and long-term trends remain strongly positive. This is not a structural crash, it's a phase of uncertainty triggered by liquidations and interest rate concerns. Just a few weeks ago, nearly everyone in the market was convinced the Federal Reserve would cut rates in December, but recent comments from the Fed have cooled those expectations significantly. The result? A chain reaction of over $728 million in long positions liquidated within just 24 hours. The Fear and Greed Index sits at an extreme 11 points. In this environment, many investors avoid high volatile spot trades and instead look for structured low-risk entries. And this is exactly where large pre-sales shine. One of the biggest winners of this rotation is Bitcoin Hyper. The pre-sale has already raised more than $27.8 million, making it one of the largest and most impressive token sales of this cycle. Question is, why is so much money flowing into this project, especially now? Bitcoin Hyper is building a state-of-the-art Layer 2 solution for Bitcoin that aims to finally make Bitcoin usable for a full-featured smart contract asset. The foundation is a high-performance execution environment compatible with the Solana virtual machine. Users can bridge Bitcoin into the Layer 2 and then execute fast, low-cost transactions, perform swaps, use DeFi applications, trade NFTs, and even interact with gaming projects, all backed by the security anchor of Bitcoin. The bridge itself uses zero-knowledge verification, making the process transparent, secure, and highly efficient. So this isn't just another sidechain. It's a technological attempt to elevate Bitcoin's functionality to an entirely new level. That's exactly why the community is piling in, and the staking model adds even more momentum. Early birds could stake their Hyper tokens for 41% APY. Already around 1.3 billion tokens have been locked. That drastically reduces circulating liquidity and shows that many investors are long-term thinking. At the current pre-sale price of only 0.013295 cents, low entry price, strong demand, and a massive vision collide. Add that to the fact that Bitcoin Layer 2 projects are one of the hottest narratives for this cycle. For many whales, the combination is a true no-brainer, and that's exactly why Bitcoin Hyper is currently being discussed as one of the few realistic 100 times or even 10,000 times candidates. While the broader market is trembling, many large investors are shifting their focus towards projects with clear structure, planned entry points, and high growth potential. Bitcoin Hyper is clearly at the front of that pack. If the team delivers on its roadmap, this project could become one of the dominant stars of 2026. You'll find the link to the pre-sale down below in the description, as mentioned, and very important, if you invest or plan to hold Hyper later, make sure to use a non-custodial wallet like Best Wallet. The link is for that also in the description. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.